when I went to the Royal College of Art, I began to sort of think about the issues involved with what does it mean to write digital poetry, and sort of starting from a point of critique that at least at that time, 1994, digital poetry is somebody just took some text and they put it on screen. And they were like, oh, there's digital poetry. And at that point in time, I was like, wow, that's really underwhelming. And worse, I don't want to read in that environment. I have a book that I can read just as easily as that. So I started thinking about, okay, what is it in digital media that we can use? So we have interactivity, we have motion, though of course we've had motion for as long as we've had film in one sort or another, and animation. We had network connectivity, which in 1994 was just beginning to be something that you might think about using, and we have computation, which underlies all of those. But I think it's worth breaking out because it means that you can create a poem that is alive in a way a printed page is not. I made Word Nozzle. The idea was to be able to work with text as if you had a spray can, and inside of the spray can was text instead of paint, and so then you can use that to spray text on screen. And as you're spraying the text on screen, you can change the size and the font and the color. So this also was an outgrowth of my interest in the materiality of text. Digital media has a materiality. Different programming languages have different kinds of materiality. Different environments, say like Director or HyperCard, have a different materiality. They have different ways in which they're easy to work with and which they're hard to work with. We, as people working in the creative digital arts, needed to understand the difference between working in C++ and Director.